as much as possible, we want to read the book or watch similar movies or series that are relatable or similar to Project Loki. So, ang ginawa ko, yung kuya ko kasi, yung kapatid ko, mahilig magbasa ng books. Ako po kasi hindi masyado. So, sabi ko, kuya, pwede bili ka ng Project Loki, lahat ng volume. I'll pay you na lang. Tapos, siya kasi magaling sa, sa internet, sa online. Sabi ko, kuya, bili ka. I'll try to read kasi I really want to study the character, lalo na big role siya for me. So, yun talaga. That's why right now I'm currently reading sa volume 1, part 1, part 2, and I'm still currently reading pa natin now para at least mas maintindihan ko pa yung character. And syempre, malaking tulong din yung workshops natin with Direct Sia, with Jada, and si Coach. And I'm looking forward for more workshops na meron. And yun, nanood din ako ng mga series which I mentioned earlier, Sherlock Holmes. And pasok siya sa Project Loki. Very similar. Same but different. Parang ganun.
Grabe, you're still
Yun.
carefully mix.
Ako naman po,